Understanding your insurance provider, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a topic that touches on both daily life and the professional world: insurance providers. Understanding this term is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's about navigating real-life situations more effectively. So, let's break it down together. An insurance provider is a company or organization that offers insurance policies to individuals or entities, providing them with financial protection or reimbursement against losses. These providers assess risks, set premium rates, and compensate for covered losses. The essence of insurance is to spread the risk of financial losses over a large group of people, reducing the burden on individuals. Insurance providers can vary significantly in the types of insurance they offer. Here are a few key types. Health insurance providers cover medical expenses and sometimes dental care. Auto insurance providers offer protection against road accidents and vehicle damage. Life insurance providers pay out a sum of money upon the insured person's death or after a set period. Property insurance providers protect against risks to property, like fire, theft, or natural disasters. Each type serves a specific purpose, catering to different aspects of our lives and providing a safety net for various risks we might face. Understanding how insurance providers operate can help you make informed decisions when purchasing a policy. Here's a simplified overview. 1. Policy purchase. You buy a policy by paying a premium, which is often an annual or monthly fee. 2. Risk assessment. The provider assesses the risk you pose and determines your premium based on this risk. 3. Claim process. If you suffer a loss covered by your policy, you file a claim. The provider evaluates the claim and, if approved, compensates you or the beneficiary. It's a process designed to offer peace of mind and financial stability, ensuring that unexpected losses don't lead to severe financial strain. Thank you for joining us today to learn about insurance providers. Remember, understanding the basics of insurance is not just about learning new words. It's about making informed choices in your personal and professional life. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic and helped you feel more confident in navigating the world of insurance. Stay curious, and see you in our next video. This format encourages engagement and comprehension, making complex topics accessible to English language learners.